Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So now I'm on the jungle, as you can see. This time I do some special adventure to the deep jungle, like in Sumba Island, to trying to go to such a beautiful waterfall that's still, still untouched. When you want to come here, I will recommend you to take serious precaution in your preparation, especially your clothes, because you don't want to have accident or something like that. So yeah, just prepare really well for the outfit here. I will really recommend you to use really close clothes, big clothing, because it's to protect your body from unwanted disease or objects or something like that. Yeah, so it's still rough here and untamed, kind of wild nature kind of things. So you want to prepare yourself and your body in good condition so you can do the trekking. So as you can see, this is the biggest trees in this forest. Wow, man. Yay! So here is Sinta. Sinta already came here for 3 times. She's so tough. She lives around here, so she's local. She knows the road real better. So she said, "Let's go!" So let's go. Can you hear the sounds? Yes. We are almost there. So apparently it just took 45 minutes trekking, but I even don't feel like it is 45 minutes because it's so beautiful here. So yeah, I just don't feel like it's such a long walk or something like that. But yeah, oh my gosh. Oh, look at that. One more round and we will be there. Yay! One more challenge before we really arrive in the waterfall.
Yes, welcome to Waterfall Matayanggu.
This is so crazy! Wow! Sumba. Yeah, man! This is so wild!